As a member of Graz International School, Greater Noida, I solemnly pledge that I shall inculcate the virtues of compassion, justice, equality, and courage to understand and uphold my responsibilities and duties towards the well being of the planet, of my fellow human beings, and all living things. Jai Hind.
We should realize that nature and climate is what keeps us alive. So it is very important for us to protect our homes, which is nature, and the climate for our own survival, even if for nothing else.
Environment means everything. It keeps you, me, and everything around us alive. Hence, has to be protected at any cost. Hence, we need to work towards a sustainable environment.
इसी तरह यूटिलाइज करनी चाहिए इन अ ऑप्टिमम वे, ताकि हमारे आने वाली जनरेशन्स, अभी जैसे आप हमारी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन है, हम आपको ये सारी बातें बता रहे हैं, अब आप बड़े होकर अपनी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को ये सारी बातें बताएंगे, तो यही हमारे को ये नॉलेज, ये विजडम आगे देना पड़ेगा एक दूसरे को, ताकि ये जो हमारे पास इतनी ग्रीनरी है आसपास, ये बनी रहे इन द कमिंग ईयर्स.
Protecting the environment for me actually means that taking care of the beings of the planet and animals and plants and trees and all the species that God has given life to. I think disrespecting it, disavowing it, and um, negating its existence has always caused harm, will continue to cause harm. We will not benefit from it. And protecting the environment means actually sustaining, thinking of ways of coexisting with it, and trying our best efforts to sustain it, as our way of going about in the world hasn't been right, and it's time to really change what is normal and what should be normal.
Every bit counts. If each one of us vow to save Earth, then I'm sure that we are able to protect our planet.
My best wishes to all on World Environment Day. I request everyone to preserve our nature, nurture our Mother Nature, and cherish the blessings of an environment. Stay happy, stay healthy. Jai Hind.
Nature has provided us numerous gifts such as air, water, land, sunlight, minerals, plants, and animals. All these gifts of nature make our earth a place worth living. Existence on earth would not be possible without any of these.
Happy World Environment Day. The predicament of the present situation calls us humans to save Mother Earth. All of us must and should contribute in every way possible by adopting an environmentally friendly lifestyle so that it helps conserve environment and protects biodiversity.
Okay, so when the question arises, and if someone asks me, like, what does environment means to me and how much important its protection is, well, I definitely believe in this that without environment, we as human beings are no one. So environment for each one of us is equally important, and it's our duty and whole soul duty, I would say, to protect it in whatever manner it's possible, be it water preservation, be it stopping wastage of resources, using resources in the most efficient manner, etc. So yes, definitely, it's very important, and it's completely one's own responsibility to protect it.
It means holding large corporations responsible and advocating for them to reduce their carbon footprints. And we can do this by ensuring that they're taking social responsibility in implementing policies and practices that are eco-friendly.
The earth is our home. Let's live in it in such a way that we are able to communicate love, kindness, and compassion for all the animals, birds, insects, microbes, and all other organisms that live along with us. And let's use it in such a way that when others come after us, they're able to live in it peacefully and without any inconvenience.
just the just the very basic things of caring for flora and fauna, making sure that you don't do anything which is harmful or detrimental to your ecosystem, and just being a responsible citizen and spreading awareness, in a sense, is basically, as I would call, care for environment or care for nature or environment protection.
All I want to say, just plant trees.
Well, environment is actually everything that surrounds us. The people around us, our neighbors, our family, the house we stay in, the houses which are located around us, the buildings, the roads, the vehicles, the animals, the marine life, and we really need to take good care of it because our survival depends upon it. Everything that we require to survive comes from the environment. So it is of utmost importance that we take care of our environment. Some of it is that definitely, lesser usage of plastic. Plastic is something that we're waking up to, that it's not a very healthy thing to use, and especially for our environment and the way we dispose it off, for the animals, for the marine life. So definitely, say no to plastic as much as possible.
Caring for nature means caring for oneself. Our life is a nature's gift, and we must know how to use it. And we should be sensitive towards our Mother Earth. She needs our thoughtfulness, not our callousness.
Less vehicles on roads means less pollution. So we all should use carpools. Let our planet breathe clean air.
To me, care for nature means we are not just helping ourselves, but we are also helping the wildlife by recycling, less use of plastic, planting more trees, and so on.
Life is possible only on Earth, so let's save our planet and help the future generation. Thank you.
গাছ লাগাও, সবুজ বাঁচাও।
নমস্কার বন্ধুরা, আমি কলকাতা থেকে দিব্যেন্দু। কেয়ার ফর এনভায়রনমেন্ট মানে আমার কাছে বেঁচে থাকার রসদ। তাই সবার কাছে আমার অনুরোধ, দয়া করে এনভায়রনমেন্টকে রক্ষা করুন, সংরক্ষণ করুন। ধন্যবাদ।
वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे संत तुकारामांचा हा अभंग पर्यावरण संरक्षणाविषयी आपल्याला बरंच काही सांगून जातो.
Hi, namaskar samasthanku. As June 5 is the World Environment Day, and there are certain bits that we can do for the society, which includes environment is a broader thing. There are plants and there are trees, there are animals, and there's water and there's soil. There's also humanity. This is also part of something we call environment. Let's try to build all these together, and let's be better human beings, because if we are better human beings, we create a better environment for the next generation.
ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕ ರಹಿತವಾದಂತಹ ನೈಸರ್ಗಿಕ ಕೃಷಿಯನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದೇ ನಿಜವಾದಂತಹ ನಿಸರ್ಗ ಪ್ರೇಮ.
ਧਰਤੀ ਦਾ ਰੱਖੋ ਧਿਆਨ, ਸਾਡਾ ਦੇਸ਼ ਬਣੇਗਾ ਮਹਾਨ। ਜਨ ਜਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੰਦੇਸ਼ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਓ, ਰੁੱਖ ਲਗਾਓ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।
इमुंग अमसुंग मपानदा उवा मयाम थादुना हवा नुंसित फहनबना ప్రకృతికి అభవ ఓయిగని.
మనల్ని పోషించే భూమాతపై ఆనందంగా జీవించడానికి మరియు సంతోషకరమైన పర్యావరణాన్ని సృష్టించడానికి మన పరిసరాలను శుభ్రంగా మరియు హరితభరంగా మార్చుకుందాం. అందరికీ ప్రపంచ পর্যাবরণ দিনোৎসব యొక్క শুভেচ্ছা।
পরিবেশ ও মন দুটোকেই পরিষ্কার রাখুন। পরিবেশ দিবসের আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা। আমি অনিন্দিতা, এই প্রকল্পের নির্দেশক ও পরিচালক।